Let the song begin. Carrots and parsnips, 2 of each thrown in. Add a couple potatoes if you've got them today. 4 cloves of garlic, and we're on our way. Salt, pepper, cumin, bay leaf too. Red paprika gives it life and hue. Goes underneath. That's what makes goulash truly goulash. Chop up the onions nice and fine. Crush the garlic well. Tomatoes and peppers, we cut them all as well. Dice the meat, slice carrots into rounds. Cube the potatoes, together it all comes. Salt, pepper, cumin, bay leaf. Red paprika makes it light. Lard heats up in a big old pot. Cumin seeds will crack. Onion, garlic, fragrance rising. No flavor it will lack. Sear the meat with vigor on a strong hot flame. The secret of the game. Paprika in plus salt and pepper, tomatoes join along. A little water cooks away, then back again before long. The rich base builds up slowly, repeating as we go. A hearty stew becomes the soup's deep, soulful glow. Salt, pepper, cumin, bay leaf. Red paprika makes it light. After an hour and a half, the meat is soft and tender. Pour in water, carrots now enter. Bay leaves float on top, potatoes follow through. Simmer it gently till everything's cooked through. From eggs we make a dough with flour mixed just right. Pinch off tiny dumplings, dropping into the bite. When it all comes together, flavors blend just so. That's Hungarian goulash. Now you truly know.